Hello, shooting moments, memories, experiences of life. First, one, most important momentos in life and the two admission exam university until exam after years age and it was very good destiny experience. Second, another incredible experience was when learn how to drive a car. At beginning, it was very nervous and scared, but with practice and empathy, it became more confident. 3. Of the hardest moments of life was when Yeshem won the final soccer match in school. Hit speed during me last year and meeting and work very hard. Winning the final the most exciting and rewarding moment because it showed the value of the work and the effort. Thank you.